feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Recently just went to Ulta because you guys have been requesting a couple of things that just came out. First thing I got is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I couldn't find it anywhere else. So I got this in the shade Fair Warm. We will see. I'm thinking of doing a video where I'm comparing like the regular version to the hydrating version to see. I like to like cut the crease with it. Then I got something else from e.l.f. because e.l.f. recently released a lot of new things. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. They had so many, but I thought this one was gorgeous, and this is in the color Flirty Birdie. I'm thinking of doing a look using this to see how it works. Could it possibly be like the Stila liquid shadows? I don't know. Let me know if you've tried it, what you think. It looks like a beautiful like champagne color. Had to get some ColourPop Super Shock highlighters. They have several new colors. You guys know that I did that video where I compared Flexitarian to Lunch Money. Those are two very popular colors. I thought these looked very pretty too. And this one is in Monster and this one is in Smoke and Whistles. So I'm gonna do a video comparing both of them, showing you what they look like and the difference to see which shade you like best. These are like cream to powder highlighters and they glide so beautiful on. Formula is just so good and they're blinding. I picked up some foundation. This is by Wet n Wild. This has been requested as well, so thank you for that. I always tell you guys, if you have any requests and I'm able to get it, please let me know. I'm here to like make videos that you want to see. This is by Wet n Wild and we have the regular photo focus foundation, and then I also picked up the dewy one, which is the new version. Hoping this is a good shade. I have very like oily skin, so we'll see how good do they work. Talking about foundation, I had to stock up on my favorite drugstore foundation ever, which I did a video if you want to see. This is Catrice and is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, mattifying and second skin effect, and yes it is. I have it on today. One of my subscribers recommended or asked me if I've ever used it, and that's how I picked it up, and I'm obsessed ever since. This is like my third bottle. I love it, and I use the color 010 Light Beige. I was initially getting two of those. I was like, no, I'll do one for now. Picked up a mascara. Oh my god, it's not my fault. Like, the drugstore just keeps coming out with more and more mascaras. This is the Maybelline Snapscara Mascara. They have this for a long time, but not the waterproof version. So once I saw that this came out, I quickly picked it up because I'm gonna review it for you guys. This is supposed to give you volume, clump free, and easy on, easy off. Her lashes here look like to die for. I have reviewed like 3 different mascaras this month. About Maybelline, I picked up 2 of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I don't know if these are new, but they had like this different packaging on them, so that really caught my attention. These are very, very well loved. A lot of people love these. These are super long lasting, but I got these 2 new shades. I don't know if they're new or if, I don't know why they just did the packaging like this time. I don't know, maybe for Valentine's. It's called Dreamer, 10 Dreamer, and it's 120 Artist. So I will be doing a video trying both of these on so you can see. It caught my attention because of the packaging. I have reviewed previously 3 of these on my channel. I believe it was Loyalist, maybe Voyager, and Poet. And I picked up, oh my god, I picked up a lot of Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner. I think they have a Hyper Precise or something, but this is the Hyper Easy Eyeliner, and this is supposed to be waterproof. I review this and see how it works. I use a liquid eyeliner every day. It's gonna be another one. I was dying to get this. I got this by Essence. Oh my god, do people rave about this mascara. But of course I got the waterproof version. Every time I go to the drugstore they do have this mascara, but never in the waterproof version. It's always like out or they don't stock it. I don't know what it is, but this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara Waterproof. So this is in like baby blue. Look online, like Essence Lash Princess, like everybody raves about it. That is the best mascara in the universe. So I just had to get this. Understand how intrigued I am. I went into, what was it, Rite Aid, I believe it was. Saw this new brand. I've never seen it before. It's called Dollface. They had a whole like makeup line, everything you could think of. They even had some skincare. So they're pretty new. And this is actually a brand that is made in Italy. Their packaging is really cute. I had like a bunch of stuff picked up and I was like, no, let me try one thing and see how they work first. The Dollface Blot and Blur Mattifying Face Powder. They are a bit pricey. I can't recall right now how much it is, but when I do the review for you, I will put the price in that video. I was trying to look to see if they had a foundation, but I couldn't see a foundation. Then I got two things from Kokie. These were not even like in the section where Kokie was. Let's just review their foundation. They have like two different foundations. I reviewed one of them if you're interested to see. Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. So you know, a lot of people came out with these liquid eyeshadows after like Stila, or I don't know who started it, but I love them and I want to see how these work. I don't know if it's always sold out or what, but everything's like almost completely gone, and I've gone to different drugstores and I saw them and I was like, let me grab them just in case. So this is a highlighter. This is the Kokie Soft Glow highlighter. We'll see what that looks like. The shade looks beautiful. Just look at that. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys must know that I bought this to review. Let me know if you have something specific from all these things that you want me to review first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.